Put the chicken breast in boiling water. I learned this recipe in a 5-star restaurant. In a pan with boiling water, add the chicken breast. I have 4 pieces of chicken breast here. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 3 cloves of garlic, and half a red onion. Mix a little and let it boil for 15 minutes with the lid on. In the meantime, take an onion and cut it into strips and then into small cubes, as you see in this video. Then crush 3 cloves of garlic and mince them well, and also cut 1 carrot into small cubes. I am very curious to find out from which country you are watching this video. Write in the comments. Now, after 15 minutes have passed since the chicken breast has been boiling, and it has absorbed all the flavors from the spices we added, it's time to transfer them to a table lined with a paper towel. Dry the meat well with a paper towel. Now, in a hot pan, sprinkle a little oil. Then fry the breast. You have to make a nice crust and turn it on the other side. When you see that the crust has a nice brown color, take it out of the pan and put it on a plate. In the same pan, pour the chopped onion and fry the onion until it turns brown. Do not rush. The fire must not be high. Fry everything on medium heat. When the onion is browned, add the carrot and garlic to fry for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After this time, put the already browned chicken breast back in the pan. On top of the chicken breast, put a piece of butter, which will slowly melt and make the meat very juicy. Cover with a lid. When the butter is already melted, lift the lid and pour tomato sauce. It smells really good. I can't wait to taste this food. Then sprinkle salt, about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of Mediterranean herbs. You can use other spices that you like. You can only add oregano or basil. Cover with a lid and let it boil for 10–15 minutes on low heat. You can eat this chicken breast with bread, pasta, potatoes, or rice. The sauce has a strong taste. Now that the chicken breast is ready, put it in a big and beautiful plate. You can pour the sauce from the pan over the chicken breast or over the pasta. For an extra flavor, sprinkle some greens such as parsley or dill. Thank you, and see you next video.